Because once I was very nervous when I joined APIIT because I was right after my school. I was very nervous. I was like, will that environment be welcoming and all? But then it was way better than I expected.
Apart from Rotaract, are there anything else or do you have anything to add on to your Rotaract life which made your student activities more meaningful in APIIT?
Oh, there's a lot.
So with that, how was your student life be like in your first semester? So you said that it's very welcoming. So was the first semester easy?
Oh no!
Hello everyone, welcome to APIIT Pulse. I'm your host Casey, and today we will be exploring stories and experiences of people who are shaping life at APIIT. So with us for our first ever episode, we have a very interesting character. Namely, he is Senula Silva, who is the president of the Rotaract Club of APIIT for the years 2026 and 2027. Senula, welcome to APIIT Pulse.
Thank you so much for having me, Casey.
So Senula, before we start off to our conversation, tell us about yourself.
Alright, so as you mentioned, I'm Senula. I'm currently a second year undergraduate studying artificial intelligence. And if I were to introduce myself, I would say I'm a huge music lover. I'm obsessed with music. Plus, I'm a researcher in metaphysics. I hope that is fun, but yeah.
Metaphysics and music, that is something interesting. So what made you come to APIIT with that? Because you seems to be doing AI and metaphysics and music. So what made you choose APIIT?
Okay. So Casey, I first joined with the foundation. So after my O-levels, I took like proper 1.5 to 2 months and I did my own self-research on what institution that I'll go to pursue my higher education. So there was this best friend of mine as well, and we both took like 2 months and we did our researches, and fortunately we both landed on the same decision. That was a huge coincidence as well. And by the time my sister was also in APIIT studying law, so yeah, fortunately I went ahead with that decision, and yeah, that's one of the best decisions that I've taken in my life.
So you seems to have done your research and decided to join APIIT. So when you joined APIIT, what was your first impression? Did it like met your expectation of your research or whatever you have done?
Okay, I would say it was way better. Because once I was very nervous when I joined APIIT because I was right after my school. I was very nervous. I was like, will that environment be welcoming and all? But then it was way better than I expected. Actually, one of the rare things that I noticed was even the first day of orientation. The orientation is also conducted by many students. So the environment was super welcoming. So yeah, it was better than I expected actually.
So with that, how was your student life be like in your first semester? So you said that it's very welcoming. So was the first semester easy or how was it for you?
Okay. Easy as in I would say yes, there is a gap to be filled with schooling and the higher educational environment. But then if I were to explain in like 3 words, I would say I was very nervous. I was excited as well. But at the end of the day, it was miraculous and memorable.
Lovely. I'm glad that you are telling your honest opinion about how your life was at APIIT when you were like, you started with foundation and then onto your degree and all. So with that, I just want to know, so can you remember what was your first event at APIIT? Because I think it's 3 years back or 2 years back?
It was exactly 2 years back. What my first event was, it was actually a meeting. It was a general meeting of Rotaract Club of APIIT. Yeah.
Okay, now we see where you get connected to Rotaract. So apart from Rotaract, are there anything else or do you have anything to add on to your Rotaract life which made your student activities more meaningful in APIIT?
Oh, there's a lot. There's a lot, but I would start off with the people. Yes, the people I met along the way because of Rotaract and outside Rotaract within APIIT, they really did made a whole difference in a way positive way in my life at APIIT. Yeah.
Okay, so so you can think of a moment where you felt like you worked hard for it. Maybe it can be because you through academics or maybe through extracurricular activities. Is there a moment in your life where you feel like that all this hard work really paid off?
Okay, I can't really think of one moment because I'll tell you this scenario. Every time a person, let's take Rotaract for an example, every time, let's say it can be one of the committee members of our club, and also it can be a beneficiary who's been benefited by the projects we do. Every time I see the happiness or I see a smile in their face, it really makes me realize that this is the core reason that I joined this organization, and this is the reason that I am doing this so far continuously as well.
That's a very hard feeling thought, I would say, right? So with that, I want you to take you to one of the interesting segment in
Okay.
our podcast, which is very signature to our podcast, which we call at Hot Takes, where I will be giving you two options. There will be several of those, where you have to choose among them and have to explain why you choose it. So this is based, when you are taking the decision, think of why you think, how APIIT has influenced it, how your life in uni, how life in Rotaract has influenced it. Okay, shall we do that?
I'm very excited. Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so the first option that I'm giving you is GPA and networking.
Ooh, okay. It's a very hard question. As much as I would love to choose networking, but I'll go ahead with GPA.
Okay, why would you choose GPA?
Okay. I would tell why I would love to go with networking because I'm a firm believer that shaking the right hand can take you to places. But at the same time, my first prominence in my life is education. So yeah, GPA.
Okay, so your second two options.
Okay.
Do you prefer group projects or individual assignments?
Group projects. Straight out answer, definitely.
Why?
Because I love to work with people, so obviously yes. Plus, I have a very supportive friend group within my degree, so I would love to always do group projects.
So like in your degree, degree, does it make you choose your group people, or does it like your lecturer or?
It depends, Casey, because sometimes the lecturer do divide the members among for the specific assignment, but most of the time we can set with our own set of people. So yeah, nevertheless, it's always a good set of team that I get. I mean, it's every student is actually good, very supportive. So yeah, it doesn't really matter.
Okay. So are you a morning lecture person or an evening lecture person?
Evening, definitely. No justifications because I don't really love mornings. So yeah, no,
Okay.
not at all.
So I think I know the answer for this, but I just want to drop it out. Campus events or staying home?
Campus events.
Yes, I think we don't have to like really explain what it is. But okay, finally, do you go for leadership positions or academic awards?
I would go ahead with leadership positions.
Okay, why would you? Because you said GPA, and why you are choosing leadership positions here?
It's that I would love to always influence someone else through my action. So I would say a leadership position is one of the best ways that you can influence someone else. So yeah, in a positive way.
Okay, so with that, I think our hot take segment comes to an end. So the next segment is a bit easier, I would say. It's more of like I will be saying a small 2-3 sentence like words,
Okay.
and you have to fill in the blanks.
Okay.
The first word which comes into your mind.
So just one word, yeah?
Yes, one word or two maximum.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's go ahead. Yeah.
Okay. So what comes to your mind when I say APIIT is?
Fabulous.
Okay. Success is?
Hard.
Growth is?
Steady.
Students worry too much about?
Students worry too much about
Time is ticking.
academics.
Okay. one thing I wish I started earlier is.
Rotaract.
Okay.
Always.
My favorite APIIT memory is
Same answer, I would say. Rotaract.
Rotaract.
Yeah.
So, fortunately, we have come to the very end of our
It
segment.
didn't even feel like it. Yeah.
I know. So, let's have a reflection on Senula, what we talked about and about APIIT life. So throughout your conversation with you, though it has been a little bit shorter than we expected, we talked about Rotaract, right? So how has APIIT and Rotaract changed you? Do you have anything you want to tell to the people who are watching us, to our audience, your supporters, your friends, your family?
Okay, so one thing I would say is that, yes, the core reason behind joining higher education institute is academics, but then the reason that makes that memory memorable in a positive way is the student activities or extracurricular that you do. Because as you asked how it changed me, Casey, in a lot of ways, in respective to many ways, my personality, my attitudes, my skills, in many positive ways it has changed me, especially talking about as a person who does a lot of extracurricular, especially Rotaract, you can gain a lot of experience. By experience, I mean the skills you gain, especially as an undergraduate, because these skills you can never learn it sitting in a class, and you require it right after when you are graduated. So communication, teamwork, organizational skills, plus a part of experience is also the set of people you meet along the way. That set of people, trust me, they are worth more than anything else. So yeah, that is why, and that is how.
So, even though I say that it is a bit like, even though this is like more of like a reflection, one thing I wanted to add on to it is like, so Rotaract seems to be a lot of work and extracurricular activities. So if a person who is listening to us now will be thinking, okay, it's too much work, how do you want to advise them on balancing academics? And how is your academic situation right now? And also to end off our conversation, how would you advise them to balance the Rotaract or maybe any other extracurricular activity with the academics?
Oh, okay. That's a very tricky question that I get personally always. But then, yeah, about my academics, I'm doing pretty good. So in respective to balancing, I would say, Casey, whatever you do in respective to extracurricular, you should have the passion for it. And in Rotaract, there's this saying called make Rotaract the place where you relieve your stress, not the place that gives you stress. So it depends on the person, because you should be really able to make Rotaract or any student activity, any club, any society that is the place where you relieve your stress, and the place where you enjoy yourselves while growing yourselves and helping others grow. So it's about, if you do have the passion, you will definitely be able to balance both academics and non-academics, and definitely stick to a timetable, focus on what matters the most, and yeah, everything will work out. Trust the process.
Okay, Senula. Thank you very much for your insightful words and sharing your experiences as our first ever guest at APIIT Pulse. So with that, we will end our first episode. So if this conversation made an impact on you or resonated you, please do make sure you like it and drop down some comments on what is the most loving experience you shared at Rotaract, also at APIIT itself. And with that, we will see you again with another new person. Yeah. And one thing before I finish it off, I want to ask you, what is one question you want to make sure the other person want to answer?
Oh, I would love to take much time to think about it, but due to time constraints, I would say ask him or her what are like 2 or 3 things that we can do within APIIT to make the student activity or the student experience better. Get their input. That's the best we
Three
can do.
things where we APIIT or they want APIIT to make it
Yeah, they recommend APIIT to do to make the student experience, student life better.
better. Okay, I'm noting it down, and we will see that reflected in our next video. Thank
Yeah.
you, Senula,
Thank
and
you,
have a nice
Casey.
day. And have a nice day to you all as well.